Welcome. I'm going to demonstrate spiral staircase stitch embellished with check glass leaves. This bracelet project is a confident beginner project with sparkling results. The Daphne bracelet works with two sizes of seed bead, size 9 in Dusky Citron and size 11 in Lemon Drop. It also uses size 13 metallic gold to create the loops to attach the catch. The core size 9 beads will then be embellished in softly matted amber check glass leaves. Thread onto your size 10 needle as much thread as you can comfortably manage, plus an extra 150 centimeters. This will be left as a tail to use later to add more length to the bracelet. Thread a stopper bead onto the 150 centimeter mark of your thread. Pick up onto the thread 5 size 9 beads, these are the core beads, and 4 size 11 beads. Take them down your thread to your stopper knot. Take your needle back to the first bead and pass your needle through the first 5 beads. Snug your size 11 beads up to your size 9 beads. Pick up one new size 9 bead and 4 size 11 beads and run them down your thread to your work. Pass your needle up through the last 4 size 9 beads from the previous set. Plus the one just added. Pull the thread tight and manually move the outside beads until they sit next to the previous set of outside beads. Repeat the 2 previous steps to add length. It is very important to remember to move the outside beads the same way when you move them next to the previous set. Either always move them to the right or always move them to the left, whichever is the most comfortable for you. You will find that the outside lemon drop beads spiral up the central core of the Dusky Citron beads. The first stage of the bracelet is to create a length of spiral staircase stitch to fit around your wrist. Create a length that fits your wrist fairly snugly, but include into this measurement the size of the catch and its attachments, plus the beaded loops which attach the catch, which is approximately altogether 32 millimeters. When your thread has only 50 centimeters remaining, remove your needle. We will come back to this thread to attach an end loop and catch at a later stage. Gently pull off your stop bead from the other end of your work and rethread your needle onto the 150 centimeter tail and continue adding beads to create further length. When you have your approximate length, the next step is to attach the 14 millimeter jumbo bolt ring catch. Keeping the same thread, swap your needle for the smaller size 13 needle. This allows multiple passes through the size 13 seed beads. Pick up 1 size 11 seed bead and 8 size 13 seed beads onto your thread. Take your needle through the small attached ring on the side of the bolt ring clasp and pull the beads through. Pass the thread back through the first size 11 seed bead and up through the last size 9 seed bead of the core beads. Continue passing your thread through the size 9 core beads, a minimum of 6 in total. Pass your needle back down a row of 4 size 11 seed beads, the outer beads, back towards the connecting loop, and pass your thread back into the size 9 core beads. Exit out of your spiral staircase, into the size 11 seed bead and into your loop. Pass the needle back around all of the size 13 beads again, exiting through the size 11 seed bead and back into your core beads again. Repeat the pathway, strengthening your loop at least 4 passes and up to 6 passes. Finish by exiting the size 11 seed bead and back into the first size 9 core bead of your spiral. Continuing with the same thread, swap your needle back to the size 10 needle. Pick up 3 size 11 seed beads, 1 leaf bead and a further 3 size 11 beads. Pass the thread back up through the next size 9 core seed bead of your spiral staircase bracelet. Pick up a further 3 size 11 beads, a leaf bead and 3 more size 11 beads. Keep passing the needle through the core beads, adding the embellishments until you have come to the end of your bracelet and are exiting from the last size 9 seed bead. The length of the bracelet can be adjusted by adding or taking beads off at this point to tweak it to make it your exact measurements. You now have 2 threads exiting the same size 9 seed bead at the end of your work. Take one of your threads, take it down the outer size 11 seed beads, just to keep it out of the way while you attach your catch with your other thread. With the other thread, rethread your size 13 needle and attach the figure 8 in the same way you attach the bolt ring catch. I have created 3 exciting colour kits which can be found in the links below. Thank you for watching.